How to disable effects in Openshot. If your project is not looking right or feels laggy, one of the effects might be causing the issue. Here's how to remove or disable them in Openshot. First, head to your timeline and locate the clip that had the effect. Right-click on the clip and then choose Properties. This opens a panel where you can see which effects are applied. To remove an effect, click on it in the Properties panel and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can drag the effect off the clip in the timeline if it appears directly there. Another way is to open the Effects tab below the preview window. From there, you can review which effects are in use and drag any of them out of the timeline to remove them completely. Some effects don't show up visually on the clip, so it's a good idea to check the Properties panel to confirm what's active. Have you ever used effects you later regretted? Tell me about it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.